Want advice on home business? Check this out. Running a home business can be a frustrating process, particularly because you are so invested in the work you are doing. Whether you are just beginning your endeavor into the world of self-employment or you are an experienced veteran, this video provides tips and tricks to help you achieve as much success as possible. No matter what type of home business you start, you must have a marketing plan ready to put into action. Most every business today requires a relationship with the internet, and there are many marketing packages available on the internet as well as through local and national media. A successful business is never without a successful marketing strategy. Ensure that your home business is properly insured, by discussing the business with an insurance agent. You should also make sure that your home business complies with local zoning laws and city ordinances. You don't want to start a dog care business, if there is a limit to the amount of animals you can have on your property. Have the proper equipment to run your business. Equipment that is related to your business like a computer or printer is tax deductible in the year that the expense occurred. To qualify for a tax write-off, the equipment must be primarily used by the business and necessary for your business to run properly. Set up a secure fund for emergencies when you open your business. Having an emergency fund will help cover surprise expenses without causing your business operations to sputter. Never withdraw money from your emergency fund unless it is absolutely necessary, and if you do, replace what you took out as soon as you can. Success is not a guarantee when you are opening your own business. That is why it is important that you don't put everything on this one experience. If it doesn't work out, you should have a backup plan ready to implement. These means you don't want to completely cut off your old professional life. Don't let success or failure go to your head. A successful business does not equal a successful human being. Likewise, a professional failure is not the same as a failed person. Remember to separate your professional persona from who you as a person. This will insulate you from both depression and arrogance. No matter what level of experience you have as an owner, there will be times that you will feel overwhelmed by the process of running a business and frustrated by the expectations that others have of you. This video seeks to provide a guide through some of the challenges that you face as you run your own business. Student loan.